Let's be honest. Coffee with Karan Season 8 is not quite buzzing like it used to. But the fashion this season is hands down the best. Deepika, Alia, Kareena, Ananya, Sara, Kajol and Rani have all looked their best while gracing the couch. And now it's Kiara Advani's turn. The 7th episode of this season features the gorgeous Kiara along with Vicky Kaushal. And we literally have paused the teaser clip too many times just to get a better view of her outfit. And we have to say, her ensemble looks ravishing from all angles. Kiara is clad in a bodycon dress with ruche detailing, a deep neckline and a slit on the back. The star of this look has to be the killer cherry red pointed high heels that look perfect. She is known for ditching accessories, but with this look, she opted for dainty diamond earrings and a statement watch. Overall, this look is 10 out of 10 and notches above her look from the last season. She wore this off-shoulder white midi dress with a corset top and a body-hugging bottom, which quickly went viral on so many shopping sites. She went for minimal accessories and finished off the look with golden heels, subtle makeup and wavy hair. Both the looks kind of look similar, but if we have to pick the hotter one, it has to be the black one from the latest season. It looks like Kiara has been upgrading her hotness quotient every passing day. All of her recent looks, traditional or modern, have that touch of subtle sexiness to them. Like we were blown over by her recent magazine photoshoot where she sported bangs and a lot of sequined outfits with cutouts. Or her desi look from Manish Malhotra's Diwali party where she opted for a velvet lehenga with a super sexy choli. Her look from India Couture Week 2023 where she walked the ramp in a pink bralette and fishcut lehenga remains one of our favorites from this year. Well, Kiara surely knows what looks best on her and we can't wait for her Coffee with Karan episode. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb fashion.